Karena majikan saya tidak membayar gaji saya selama 7 bulan. Dia hanya berjanji mau bayar saya bulan depan kayak gitu. Teman yang menyarankan saya buat minta bantuan ke Christian Action, katanya di situ kamu bisa mengadu apa yang majikan kamu, maksudnya apa hak kamu yang belum majikan kasih.
Bukan orang dok, window apa?
Majikan saya selalu menunda sidang karena dia selalu mengasih police case pada saya, sedangkan saya tidak pernah melakukan itu sampai ditunda selama 5 kali. Sampai sekarang belum selesai.
Mbak De kayaknya nggak bisa, Mbak De.
Saya rindu sama keluarga, Kak. Saya cuma punya bapak dan saya saja.
They come in and then they will tell us either they've been dismissed without notice or the employer hasn't been giving them rest days or statutory holiday. Some cases will involve physical abuse and then some sexual abuse. Or they end up working for, instead of one employer, 4 households. These are very common features of the cases.
More like all as a center activity, we have to hire a coach. That will incur costs, but that could come off from the program expenses because
the time they're waiting for the criminal proceedings, the police investigation, which usually takes a lot of time, and they're not allowed to work or volunteer, so they have to rely on us and rely on charity, which is not exactly forthcoming sometimes.
There are other causes that's coming on board, like the money matters.
We are very restricted with our funding and resources as well. I mean, we do our bit. We provide them with the basic things, like some donated food and then accommodation and then maybe some transport money for them to go to Labour Tribunal. But that's all we can provide.
Majikan saya melecehkan saya. Dia suka pegang-pegang badan saya mandi dia masuk ke kamar mandi. Dan kalau masalah pegang-pegang badan saya itu hampir tiap hari, 1 hari ini juga nggak terhitung. Saya itu selalu ketakutan di rumah majikan, saya juga itu merasakan stres, nggak bisa mikir. Terus itu saya itu selalu, apalagi kalau kakek itu bangun pagi-pagi, kalau dengar kakek itu sudah bangun, saya sudah merasa ketakutan sekali. Bahkan sampai saya itu berusaha untuk sembunyi di bawah meja pun, dia masih kejar-kejar saya. Nah, saya harus ngasih tahu kalau saya sudah tidak bisa ngirim uang lagi. Aduh. Saya punya anak saya 2, dan anak saya yang pertama menyuruh saya cepat pulang karena ini juga mau bulan puasa. Mereka itu pengennya puasa bareng sama saya.
I believe there is a problem with the culture. Very busy, very stressed, very mechanical, so not much of thought for others.
And you are applying to supervise?
But poor domestic helpers, when the employer gets stressed in office, it is taken out of the domestic helper because that's the easiest thing, because they believe that they are lower in status. Some people might say, oh, they're not trustworthy. You can't expect anybody to be trustworthy if you don't trust them. So when there is no basic trust and confidence on the part of the employer, you can't expect it from the helper. If the helper knows, oh, you are trusted, you are loved, you are taken care of, I believe even the helper will be better.